In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call Charles Schwab customer service. Whether you're in the United States or calling from abroad, like the Philippines, the goal is to reach the right team quickly, minimize hold times, and stay secure. Start by deciding which line best matches your need. For most everyday questions and general account help, use the general support line. If your question is specifically about brokerage services, things like placing trades, transfers between investment accounts, or platform issues, use the brokerage services line. When you're outside the United States, there is a dedicated international support line designed to accept overseas calls and route them efficiently. That international line operates around the clock from Monday through Saturday US time, and it's typically the smoothest option when dialing from the Philippines. There are also specialized teams for different topics. If you're dealing with checking or savings features linked to your account, look for the banking services line. Active traders can contact trading support for platform and order-related questions. And if you use an automated investing solution, there's a dedicated line for intelligent portfolios. To make sure you get the most current contact details, go to the official Charles Schwab website, open the contact section, select your topic, and confirm the right number for your location. This ensures you're dialing the correct line and viewing the latest hours. Timing matters. Many lines are available around the clock, while others cover the full trading week. To avoid long waits, try not to call on Mondays, which are typically the busiest. Off-peak hours or weekends can be a great time to connect more quickly. Always keep U.S. time zones in mind when planning your call from overseas. If you're calling from the Philippines, check how your carrier handles international calls to the United States and consider using Wi-Fi calling or a reputable internet-based service if international rates are high. Before you dial, have your account number handy and be ready to verify your identity, but never share your password or any one-time security code with anyone. If a request feels unusual, end the call and reconnect through the official contact page. For safety, always obtain phone numbers directly from the official website. Don't trust unsolicited calls or texts that ask for login information or urge you to act immediately. When in doubt, hang up, go to the official site, and place a fresh call to the listed number. That's it. Choose the right line, call at smart times, and stay secure. You'll get to the right person faster and with confidence.